When you create a product or make an update in Thrive, you can expect to see that change on your point of sale or e-commerce site in a matter of minutes. But if it's been over 10 minutes and you still don't see the update in your integration, go through these troubleshooting steps. First, if you are checking for the update from a POS system, go to the website dashboard on a computer to check if the product is there. For example, squareup.com or clover.com. Thrive syncs to the online dashboard for Clover and Square, who are in charge of syncing the item to the registers. If the item is on the dashboard, reach out to them directly for assistance to get the item on the register. Next, confirm that syncing is turned on for your integration. If syncing is off, then nothing will be pushing out from Thrive to the integration. In the product details page, confirm that the item is active. Only active items will be synced, as inactive items are used only for internal tracking. Then, click the Locations tab to check the locations and integrations the item is enabled for. You can toggle on locations here and integrations by clicking Edit under Enabled Channels. If all your settings look good, you can also try to force sync the item. To do that, click on the gear wheel in the top right corner and click Sync Product to Integrations. Wait for the success banner and check your integration again. You can also run the Push All Unsynced Products and Variants task on the Advanced page. This is not a forced export, it just scans for any items waiting to sync and attempts to sync them now. If that syncing is in progress, you can see how many products are left. Once it is complete, check your integration again. If there are numerous products to push out to your integrations, syncing can take a little longer, so check the Running Tasks page to get a sync update. Once it's complete, you should see the product on your integration. Those steps will usually solve your syncing problem, but if you've tried everything and are still having trouble, or see an error message that you don't understand, just use the chat bubble to contact the Thrive support team. We're happy to help. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents linked below. If you need additional assistance, please contact our customer care team using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.